na-mention nyo kanina, sumakasama nyo sa Senado ngayon si Senator Raffy Tulfo. But yung isa nyo pong kapatid, si Senator Ben Tulfo, is currently number 13 dito sa ating partial and unofficial vote count. How do you feel about this? And nakausap niyo po ba si Sir Ben regarding dito?
Well, Janelle, actually, the people has spoken, boss. If you look at it, siguro the people said, we just want two Tulfos, just like other senators' siblings too. The Ejercito, si Estrada, the Cayetanos. So baka talagang gusto lang nila two. Three is enough. So the people have spoken, Sir Neil, so we respect that.
Was this a surprise though, Sir Erwin? Kasi if we look at the pre-election surveys, no, Sir Erwin, and lagi kayong pasok ni Sir Ben doon sa top of 12, but now he's at 13.
Boss, like I said, I was also asked like what happened. I really couldn't tell, but I believe it is the Gen Zs and the millennials ang nagdala dito, ang pumasok dito. Some analysts are saying 60% of the voters are Gen Zs and millennials. Mukhang hindi yata naagip ng survey groups po yan. Pero ako, Sir Neil, when I look at the survey, hindi ko talaga paniwalaan ng surveys like salita ng Diyos yan or Bible yan. It should only be for politicians running for office. Sana gawin lang yung surveys like parang basehan, Sir Neil, na okay, saan ako? Papasok ba ako sa Magic Clouds? May pag-asa ba ako mga mayor? Ito ang kalaban ko sa governor? May pag-asa ba ako? Malapit-lapit ba? Yun lang ang dapat gawin, Sir Neil. Pero kung pagbabasiyo, panalo na ako, number 1 ako. No, that shouldn't be the case, Sir Neil. Otherwise, look at what happened, Sir Neil. Senator Bob, Senator Kiko, they're nasa 14-15 sila. So right now, they're second in spot. Kaya nga, everybody was surprised. Pero they were saying right now, the political analysts, this is due to the millennials and the Gen Z.